What's up, good people? All right, we are headed to Cars and Coffee San Francisco. I'm in the Rose today. I'm in the Wraith today. Jason's in front of me in the Aventador. We got Omar's coming in the Mustang. They're going to meet us there. Edgar's coming in the Challenger. He's going to meet us there. So we're squatted up. We're squatted up, headed to Cars and Coffee San Francisco. Because next month, the big dog comes back. Cars and Coffee Blackhawk. If you ever get to the Northern California area and you want to check out a Cars and Coffee, I highly recommend checking out Cars and Coffee Blackhawk. That is hands down the dopest Cars and Coffee in NorCal. Anyway, what's up? How you doing? What you up to? How you guys doing this morning? Yeah? You good? We good? We all good, right? And I got to thinking, there has never been, and maybe this is just me putting on my marketing hat. You know, I went to school for marketing. Once upon a time, I worked in marketing. So I always see things from a marketing perspective. And I was wondering, why hasn't any coffee shop brand embraced Cars and Coffee? I mean, think about it. Cars and Coffee is a worldwide phenomenon. So you would wonder, with such a big following all across the globe, especially here in America, why isn't there a Cars and Coffee embracement by, say, Starbucks or Pete's Coffee? You would think that a large corporation like that could spend, I don't know, $200,000, you know, to get some branding material. They could find out which of their locations you know, have Cars and Coffee meets nearby them and send them like a marketing package, you know, like here's some pop-up banners, here's some, you know, whatever, pay for some, you know, a couple of jugs of coffee for the event, and it would just produce more money for that brand, and then car enthusiasts would kind of, you know, would feel more in line with that coffee brand. Sounds like a lot to you and I, but to a corporation like, say, Pete's or Starbucks, they spend more on their annual, you know, trip for executives, you know, and I would imagine just a small step to embrace the Cars and Coffee movement would go a really long way and would produce way more back-end revenue from just car enthusiasts being really, you know, just dialed into that coffee brand, you know, down the road. I mean, you write in the box below, let me know, what do you think? Why hasn't a large coffee brand embraced Cars and Coffee as an event that they want to be tied to? All right, we're here waiting in line. I don't know if you guys can see back there, Jason, Steve, it's back there. Let's roll the window down. Let's see if we can see you guys. There he is. Got a couple Mustangs up front, so it's pretty congested this month. I think mainly because this is like probably, I mean, I don't know if it's the last one before. It sucks because there's like a couple like regular pedestrian cars that are just kind of stuck in this madness. But yeah, I don't know if this is the last one before the Blackhawk, so I'm not quite sure. But I would imagine that's why this one's so packed. I don't know if you guys can see that line there. You can see that line. That's everybody just waiting to get in. It's crazy. All right, we finally fucking made it. Jesus Christ, man. This is a big one, guys. This is a big one. We've been waiting in line just to get the cars in for over 30 minutes. Just to get the cars in. This is actually my first time actually seeing the car show. Is that the 488? I think that's the 488. The last time, oh, beautiful. All right, pulling into the Euro section. Jason's parking. Jason's next to a Huracan. I know he hates that. Finally.
It's perfect because it protects the paint too?
Yeah.
After when you peel it off later?
That only took forever. That only took forever.
Okay, I'll pass him a bit.
Steve's came through with the GT. I don't know if I've showed you guys the GT yet. The Wraith is filthy now. I'm going to take it back to the shop after this.
Silky Beat.
Squad's still getting together here. Edgar's over there, parking the Challenger. Jason, you know I'm hoping I find that G-Wagon.
Oh yeah?
That silver G-Wagon.
Somewhere right here, right?
I swear to God, I'll sit in it and I'll just wait to the end of the show. Stalk them. Aventador held up nice on the trip. I don't know what happened to the Wraith. The Wraith just got super dirty, so we're gonna take that back to the shop. But the Aventador held up really nicely for the drive. Really nicely. What's up, YouTube? All right, so squad's together. Edgar's parking the Challenger. Gonna get the brochures, put them in the cars. This is a good one, man. This is a good one. And guess what? Guess what? This is Edgar's first Cars and Coffee. At least with me it is. We finally got him to come out. And if you guys knew what we went through last night, it was like 6 o'clock. And we're like, all right, we're going, you know, it's a good day, it's Friday. And then we're like, you know, we're gonna get up early, hit Cars and Coffee, it's gonna be nice. And then it was like 9 o'clock and we both became Aretha Franklin. And we're just mad at everything.
Where I was going, I just went around. I guess they're making everyone go that way. And over there,
Well, they're making American
everyone
cars.
was going that way, and I was like, so I just kind of drove 5 miles an hour. I figured no one could be mad at me if I just slowly go this way.
And OJ.
Yes, sir.
Squad is fully complete.
What up, though?
Omar is back to the channel.
Hey,
Omar's
guys,
back
yeah.
on the channel.
Been on,
It's been-
on hiatus for a little bit. It's all good.
This is like the trifecta
Video
of
over
record.
Oh, shit.
You're gonna edit them back.
We're gonna merge.
Right? It's like video sex. I don't know. This is weird. You
My
can still use
channel,
the video.
Edgar and Cars.
Edgar and Cars.
Ed and Cars.
Ed.
Silky Beat.
SR10. All right, so check it out. The reason why you could tell it's a 63 is because the 63s had points. So you look at the front, it points. Then the line goes straight back, and then in the back, it points again. They've been really working on rebranding themselves as almost like the muscle brand.
Silky Beat.
Drag radius? He came here in drag radius. He's not here to be your friend. He's not here to play games. He's here to do one thing.
I like it because they look like they're like fancy cars.
That fast life, bro. That fast life. Oh.
Yeah, I have, you passed by mine. I have like a orange safety around like it's like parked. Huh? What's that? I don't think so. I was parked in the very back.
Oh, okay. Okay. I saw the car then. It's a car show we call it. My job is rescue supplies for kids.
Oh yeah, no, I only do like I said, I usually do only charity.
Yeah, that's me too. Same thing.
AC by the way.
now that I've owned an Impala, this might be the dream.
Chucky B.
I like the fact that he swapped it out for BBSs. I just wish he would have gotten real BBSs. Because like this car deserves real ones. I mean, this is a $45,000 classic. Get real BBSs. So those are looks dope. Looks dope. I mean, if I got real, I would get the exact same. What's up, dude? I think we both bought ours from Rob.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He was telling me about yours. That's sick.
This one's all original, just suspension work and rims.
That's what you do suspension-wise.
I did a KW coilovers.
Nice. I like the choice of rims. When I first saw it on Instagram, I was like, man, he went out of the box. Anyone else would have went black, you know. He really went with a different route.
Yeah.
What made you go with that choice?
I don't know, man. I just always like that stance, you know. And then with the wide body, they offer a lot of more space, so I gotta play with that a little bit.
Yeah, and then keeping it brushed.
Yeah, keep it
Not
brushed.
going colored.
Yeah.
That's sick. And you got a couple other ones, right?
Yeah, I got a couple. I got another Hellcat. It's my race car.
We got to get that fatigue one.
Yeah.
That fatigue one on the channel, man.
Yeah,
For
for
sure.
sure. Yeah, man. Just let me know.
There's supposed to be a 7 coming to the shop Monday or Tuesday. That is done right, dude. Those bronze wheels. And see, that's not a matte. I think I'm Cars and Coffee out. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Edgar's tired. He's always
You know how I do it, so
OJ
I'm
went to
still
bed
here,
at
but I'm
7.
still standing.
Cars Coffee. What is it? February. San Francisco, February 2018. We'll see you guys for Black Hawk next month. Black Hawk.
That's gonna be the one.
Black Hawk.
That's right.